Hi, I'm Barry Feynman. You probably don't know me, but you may have seen some of my accomplishments. One of them being the trusted Scratch Be Gone kit for stainless steel. As a recognized expert in the field of stainless steel restoration, I've had some pretty unique opportunities to use my Scratch Be Gone process around the globe and in a variety of locations. Private residences, military institutions, universities, airports, national cemeteries, and yes, even the Golden Gate Bridge. Today I'm excited to share with you that I've just completed a 28-page market report providing some exciting and valuable information for anyone who's looking to work on or around stainless steel. Stainless steel restoration is full of opportunities for those with the correct skill set. My market report not only introduces you to the industry, including the post-COVID outlook, but also to the many opportunities that are available. The demand for stainless steel repair and restoration is far greater than you might expect, with an incredible potential to increase your personal revenue channels. If you're interested in receiving this totally free report, just click the link in the description below. Thank you for your time.